Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Infinity Learn Mathematics in a Simple Way. In this video, as I told you in the previous video, we are going to continue with the what problems on integration by substitution method for 2 marks. This type of question will be asked in the what part B, question number 28 or 29. So let us evaluate integration of e raised to root e raised to 2x minus 1 divided by e raised to 2x plus 1. So divide both nr and dr. First step of the solution, dividing both nr means numerator and dr means denominator by e raised to x. We are dividing both what? Both numerator and denominator by what? E raised to x. After dividing, see here, e raised to 2x minus 1 divided by what? E raised to x divided by e raised to 2x plus 1 divided by what? E raised to x. So first step is what? We are dividing both nr and dr. nr means numerator, dr means denominator. Next, now e raised to 2x into e raised to minus x, e raised to minus x. Taking this e raised to x here in the numerator, this term to and this term. Yes. In the same way, in the denominator is also what? E raised to 2x, e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x dx. What we did here, the two terms are there. See here, give your focus or attention here. E raised to x, we are taking into the numerator e raised to minus x. Then 1 by e raised to x is nothing but e raised to minus x. E raised to x is common for this both the term. We are taking this e raised to x, numerator it will become what? E raised to minus x, and this one e raised to minus x. In the denominator, e raised to 2x, e raised to minus x. 1 by e raised to x, nothing but e raised to minus x. So next one step, I am writing the further steps here. Yes, base is same, add the power. E raised to minus 2x minus x is what? E raised to x. Integration of what? E raised to x minus of e raised to minus x divided by 2x minus x is what? X. E raised to x plus e raised to minus x dx. Yes. Now put e raised to x plus e raised to minus x is equal to what? T, substitution method. We did this type of problem yesterday. Yes. In the same way, put e raised to x plus e raised to minus x is equal to what? T. Now differentiating with respect to x, with respect to t, sorry. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of e raised to x is what? E raised to x. E raised to minus x. This plus will become what? Minus dx by dt is equal to what? 1. Now dx is equal to dt into 1 is what? Dt divided by e raised to x minus of e raised to minus x. Now come to here, e raised to x minus of e raised to minus x divided by t dt divided by e raised to x minus of e raised to minus x. Cancel. Yes. Now integration of dt by t is nothing but log t plus c. What is the value of t? E raised to x plus e raised to minus x plus c. So this is the final answer. The next question, evaluate integration of sine inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square. We know that the what derivative of sine inverse x is what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Put sine inverse x is equal to t here. Put sine inverse x is equal to t. Put sine inverse x is equal to what? T. Then derivative of sine, differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of sine inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx by dt. Derivative of t is what? 1. Derivative of t is what? 1. Now solve for dx. Dx is equal to root of 1 minus x square into dt. This term comes to the what here? Into 1. Yes. Next come to here. Now sine inverse x means what? T divided by root of 1 minus x square. This is the first step of the solution. Given integral as it is. Now root of 1 minus x square dt. Cancel. Integration of t dt. Integration of t is nothing but t square by 2 plus c. What is the t? Sine inverse x bracket square divided by 2 plus c. Yes, next one. See here, sine derivative is what? Cos here. Put sine 2x is equal to t. Put sine 2x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of sine cos 2x into 2 I am writing backside. Because derivative of x is what? 1. 1 into 2, 2. Derivative of x with respect to t is what? Dx by dt. Derivative of t is what? 1. Now solve for a dx. Now dx is equal to dt divided by 2 cos 2x. 2 cos 2x. Now come to here. Integration of root of sine 2x means what? T. Cos 2x. Dx means what? Dt by 2 cos 2x. Cos 2x cancel. Take 2 outside. 1 by 2 integration of root t means what? 1 by 2 dt. Root means what? 1 by 2. Integration of t raised to 1 by 2 is nothing but t raised to 3 by 2. Its reverse is what? 2 by 3. Yes. Plus see these 2 to get cancelled. 1 by 3. T means what? Sine 2x. Raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Plus c. This is the final answer. Next problem. Integration of cos x divided by root of 1 plus sin x dx. Take 1 plus sin x is equal to t. Put 1 plus sin x is equal to t. Derivative of sine. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of sine is what? Cos x. Because derivative of 1 is what? 0. And derivative of x with respect to t is what? Dx by dt. Derivative of t is what? 1. Then dx is equal to dt by cos x. Dt by cos x. Come to here. Now cos x as it is for the solution of the first step. Yes. Write the given integral as it is. Then cos x divided by root t. Dt by cos x. Dt by cos x. Cos x cancel. Then 1 by t raised to 1 by 2 dt. Now t raised to minus 1 by 2 dt. Take t raised to 1 by 2 into the what? Numerator, so that the power will become what? Negative. Then this one t raised to 1 by 2. Integration of t raised to minus 1 by 2 is nothing but t raised to 1 by 2. Its reverse is what? 2 by 1 plus c. Yes. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Root 1 by 2 means what? Root. What is the value of t? 1 plus sin x. This 1 by 2 I am writing in terms of what? Root plus c. 1 by 2 is nothing but root. T means what? 1 plus sin x. Now this one solution. Put 1 plus cos x is equal to t. Put 1 plus cos x is equal to t. Derivative of 1 is what? 0. Derivative of cos minus sin x. Derivative of x with respect to t. Dx by dt. Derivative of t is what? 1. Dx is equal to dt divided by minus sin x. Then sin x divided by t dt by minus sin x. Sin x cancel. Take minus sign outside. Integration of 1 by t dt minus log t plus c. Integration of 1 by t is what? Log t. Then minus log of t means what? 1 plus cos x. Final answer. Next problem. Integrate 1 plus log x bracket square divided by x dx. Put 1 plus log x is equal to t. Put 1 plus log x is equal to t. 1 plus log x is equal to what? T. 1 plus log x is equal to t. Then differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of 1 is what? 0. Derivative of log x 1 by x. X derivative dx by dt. T derivative with respect to t is what? 1. Now dx is equal to, solve for dx, this term x into dt cross multiply. Dx is equal to x dt. Now come to here. T square divided by x dt. X cancel. T square dt. Now t cube divided by 3 plus c. What is the value of t? 1 plus log x bracket cube divided by 3 plus c. Now x plus log x bracket square, put x plus log x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of x 1 plus log x means 1 by x. Last dx means what? Dx by dt is equal to what? 1. Yes. Now x into 1 x plus 1 divided by x dx is equal to what? Dt. This one. Yes. Now dx is equal to this x into dt divided by x plus 1. Divided by x plus 1. Yes. Now come to here. X plus 1 as it is. X plus log x is what? T. That is t square divided by x dx means what? Dt x divided by x plus 1 dt. Dx means x plus 1 cancel, x cancel. Now t square dt is nothing but t cube by 3 plus c. What is the value of t? X plus log x bracket cube divided by 3 plus c. Plus c. Put tan inverse x raised to 4 is equal to t. Derivative of tan inverse x raised to 4. 1 by 1 plus x raised to 8. X raised to 8. X raised to 4 bracket square ಆಗ್ತದ. X raised to 4 bracket square. Do one more step if you want. Derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. X means what? X raised to 4 bracket square dx by dt is equal to 1. Then 1 plus x raised to 8 dx is equal to what? Dt. Yes, now dx is equal to, and one more thing, wait a minute. X raised to 4, then derivative of x raised to 4 is what? 4x cube dx by dt. Derivative of x raised to 4 is what? 4x cube dx by dt is equal to 1. Now 4x cube dx by dt is equal to 1. Now dx is equal to what here? Dt into 1. This term and this term cross multiply. Yes, that is 1 plus x raised to 8 dt divided by what? 4x cube. 4x cube. Now this one x cube as it is, sin t divided by 1 plus x raised to 8 dt, that is dx means what? This one 1 plus x raised to 8 divided by 4x cube dt. This x cube cancel, 1 plus x raised to 8, 1 plus x raised to 8 cancel. Take 4 outside, 1 by 4 sin t dt, 1 by 4 integration of sin minus cos t plus c. Yes, 1 by 4 minus sign outside, cos, what is the value of t? Tan inverse of x raised to 4 plus c. This is the final answer. So this is all about integration by using a substitution method. So out of this problem only you will get the one problem in your annual examination. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and in the next video we are going to learn the integration by using trigonometric identities. Based on the trigonometric identities we are going to integrate the functions. So keep on watching my channel. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much.